Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we introduced the application of aluminum alloy profiles in various fields. Today, we will reveal to you why they are so popular. Let's start with the first advantage, their lightweight nature. With a density of only about 2.7 g/cm3, aluminum alloy profiles are incredibly lightweight, making them a popular choice for applications where weight reduction is crucial without compromising on strength. Moving on to their processability, aluminum alloy profiles offer excellent processability, making them easy to cut, bend, stamp, drill, and more. This makes them ideal for various mechanical processing and forming processes, adding to their versatility. Now, let's talk about their strong corrosion resistance. The formation of a dense oxide film on the surface of aluminum alloy profiles effectively prevents oxidation and corrosion, especially in harsh environments, ensuring their longevity and durability. Another remarkable characteristic of aluminum alloy profiles is their excellent electrical and thermal conductivity. With electrical conductivity and thermal conductivity second only to silver and copper, they are widely used in power transmission and heat dissipation applications. And let's not forget their highly recyclable nature. Aluminum alloy is a renewable resource that can be 100% recycled, with the recycling process consuming less energy, contributing to energy conservation, emission reduction, and environmental protection. Now, let's shift our focus to the features of aluminum alloy profiles. First up, their beautiful appearance. With various surface treatments such as anodizing, electrophoretic coating, and spraying, they offer rich colors and good decorative effects, adding aesthetic value to any application. In addition to their aesthetic appeal, aluminum alloy profiles boast high durability, with good weather resistance, resistance to deformation and aging, and stable performance during long-term use, making them a reliable choice for outdoor applications. Their strong designability is another standout feature. Aluminum alloy profiles offer excellent design freedom and can be customized and processed according to specific needs, adapting to different structural designs and usage scenarios with ease. Last but not least, their excellent fire resistance. Aluminum alloy materials have good fire resistance, enhancing the safety of buildings and structures, making them a preferred choice for applications where fire safety is a priority. And there you have it, the numerous advantages and characteristics of aluminum alloy profiles, from their lightweight and high strength to their strong corrosion resistance and excellent recyclability. These profiles offer a wide range of benefits for various applications. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.